Hey everybody, this is a DeLorean toy review. This was the Playmobil Back to the Future DeLorean. Pretty well detailed. I mean, they have a lot of DeLorean toys. That's the interior. Looks just like the movie. The wheels are really well done. It's a pretty cool toy. Okay, so press this button here. It lights up. You can tell the flex capacitor lights up, which is that little thing right there. This is so cool. I mean, look at that. It adds such uniqueness when you light it up. It looks like it's actually going to the future when you light it up because of the blue lights. Now this is the Playmobil Back to the Future DeLorean. So if you want this, go look for it on eBay or Amazon. It's really cool. I like the way the doors open up. It's like the real DeLorean, how the doors open up. It gives you that 80s feel. Oh, and Back to the Future is probably one of my favorite films. I really love Back to the Future. Such a great 80s film. It's probably my top two 80s films. Other than Star Wars Empire Strikes Back. But I think those two are the best 80s films. And that is the Back to the Future DeLorean toy review. If I were to give this a grade, it would be like a 4 out of 5 stars. Because when I managed to get this, it came with so much stuff. This is really, really cool. And that is my Back to the Future DeLorean toy review.